Hey kids! Today we will learn about 20 amazing wild animals. Let's see what makes each one of them so special.
This is a kangaroo.
This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong back legs and carry their babies in a pouch. They are great jumpers and live mostly in Australia.
2. This is a bear.
This is a bear. Bears are big and strong animals who love honey. They can climb trees and sleep during the cold winter.
3. This is a lion.
This is a lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle. They have loud roars and live in groups called prides.
4. This is a gorilla.
This is a gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes and are very smart. They live in forests and love eating fruits and leaves.
5. This is a wolf.
This is a wolf. Wolves live and hunt in packs. They are known for their teamwork and howling sounds.
This is a cheetah.
This is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They have black spots and can run super quickly.
7. This is an American bison.
This is an American bison. American bisons are strong animals with big heads. They once roamed the grasslands in huge herds.
This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and have strong jaws. They are great swimmers and can stay still for hours.
9. This is a tiger.
This is a tiger. Tigers are strong and brave animals. They have beautiful stripes and hunt alone.
10. This is a Komodo dragon.
This is a Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are giant lizards with sharp teeth. They live in Indonesia and are very powerful hunters.
11. This is a jackal.
This is a jackal. Jackals are clever and quick animals. They often move in pairs and eat small animals.
12. This is a hyena.
This is a hyena. Hyenas are wild animals with strong jaws. They laugh like sounds and live in groups.
13. This is an elephant.
This is an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks and big ears.
14. This is a rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses have thick skin and 1 or 2 horns. They love to roll in mud and stay cool.
15. This is a leopard.
This is a leopard. Leopards are fast and love to climb trees. They are great hunters and have beautiful spots.
16. This is a giraffe.
This is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. They have long necks and eat leaves from high trees.
17. This is a fox.
This is a fox. Foxes are smart and quick. They live in forests and are active mostly at night.
18. This is a wild boar.
This is a wild boar. Wild boars have strong bodies and sharp teeth. They live in jungles and dig the ground for food.
19. This is a zebra.
This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique pattern like a fingerprint.
20. This is a deer.
This is a deer. Deers are gentle and fast animals. They have antlers and love to eat grass and plants. Great job, kids! You just learned about 20 wild animals and some cool facts about them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye.